Well, good morning, motherfuckers.
Yeah. Take it. In that lead. Yeah. You see the nigga. Chop. Beijing. Yeah.
Dude, this is scary. I'm really close to death.
I don't know what else to do because it needs to be charged.
Dude, my face is in the... Oh, my God.
Alright, hey.
Oh!
Hey, whatever you do not move this controller back.
Bro, this is crazy.
I know. I've done it, yes.
Dude, this is freaking me out, bro. What? Dude.
Oh, my God.
Okay. I love you, too. What? What? It's good. Frick, bro, I can't see nothing. I don't like this. Bro, I cannot see a single thing. Bro, what the frick? Dude. No.
Dude, I have the same exact reaction. This is crazy.
Oh my God.
Here, start recording.
Bro, this is no. I don't want to play anymore. I don't want to play, bro. I don't want to play, dude. Dude, I don't want to play anymore. Dude, this is scary, bro. This is scary. This is scary, bro. Dude, I don't want to play.
No, hey, Azel, help me up. Help me up, son.
So Seth, how you feel about that game winner you hit today?
It was crazy.
Yeah. Could you talk me through the play?
So, it was about 17 seconds left to go, right? And they had the ball. We were up by 1, and they get a good play. They pass it, and this guy down low, he makes a layup, and they're up by 1. 8 seconds left. Our inbounds guy throws it to Maravich, and he's about half court, right? So he books it to go towards the rim to make a layup.
Bro, there's a TV, bro. Shut the frick up.
Out of the 8 seconds, he took about 6 seconds.
Fam.
So there's about 2 seconds left
Bro,
when he
where's
shoots
the videotape at, bro?
He misses, and I'm there for the rebound put back at the buzzer. We win. It was great.
Bro, what is...
I'm literally gonna break the chair. Someone help. Dude, I can't, bro. You're literally gonna break. Bro, can you help me out with the chair?
It's not gonna get you stuck.
It's one of those chairs where it leans back.
Yeah, it's supposed to lean
I
back.
can't get up.
Just
I don't
slide
think
down then.
I guess I'm just gonna stay here.
Okay.
Not feeling it. See what you're me do, son?
Hazel, you're supposed to keep watch of Andre.
Frick that hoe. Frick Andre.
Where is he?
I don't know.
Fucking believable. This is the last time I work with that guy.
I see Andre. Oh. First night in the house. This is what I got going on. Charlie, shout out to you, bruh. I'm in your room. Seth, where is Seth at? Well, Jack, where are you sleeping at?
Shoot, dude. Did I forget my freaking game?
I got that on camera.
I think I forgot my games. I really think I did. 'Cause I put 4 games in one case, and I think I left the case.
Where are you sleeping though?
Probably this couch right
Dude. Bruh, what the frick, Seth?
Hey Seth, we can't play 2K.
Why?
I left my games at home.
Dude, do y'all wanna all come in my room and watch movies?
Great.
Yeah?
Are you about it?
Wait, no, just do it in the living room.
No, frick no.
Convenient for everybody.
Dude, come look how big this TV is and then frickin' tell me if you wanna do it in the living room. This motherfucker's fat. Yeah, put some more owls in there.
Yeah.
Say what's up to the vlog, hey, good night, though, from the... Frickin' a rooster woke me up. Sicko mode. What's up, bro? What you doing? You want no smoke, boy? Come here, boy. You want no smoke? You want no motherfucking smoke? What's up, bro? What's up? That motherfucker bites hard. Alright, first things first, we're gonna take these motherfucking dogs out. Just a chicken walking around. Good doggy. Wake up, PP. Well, good morning, motherfuckers. How are you guys doing? Hey, hey. Hey. Hey, bro. Shut the frick up. Gosh, damn. Hey. Hey. Come here, little rooster. Look, bro, it's a baby chicken. Hey, male duck, y'all. Come here. Is that a goat? What's your name, partner? That's probably the big dog right there. I'm about to feed y'all hoes. Hold up. Chicken on the loose. Where you going? What's up? Y'all hungry? What's going on up in here? Where the little baby goat? What you doing? Look at the little baby goat. Look at the little baby goat. I'm gonna call him. Man, what is this? Hey, bro, she didn't deserve that, man. She don't want you. She don't want you. That's why she says you got a small cock. Anyways, you chicken cock piece of Come here, motherfucker. Don't you ever touch my motherfucking chicken friend like that ever again, motherfucker. Y'all want some food, man? Y'all want some food, man? I got you, man. Hey, bro, shut up, man. Please, shut up. Hey, hold up. Hey, I got you, bro. Got you, man. Y'all want some food, man? Y'all want some food? This BillSony just want to give y'all some good food, man. Y'all got an owl in this motherfucker, man. Yeah, boy. Man. Y'all just let BillSony get y'all some. Alright, man. Alright. There I go. Got y'all. How the fuck you get on trampoline? How you get on the trampoline? Ooh, baby. Who want food? Oh, shoot. Dang, son. Them motherfuckers is eating, boy. I got y'all too. Dang. I got y'all, don't worry. Watch out, motherfuckers. I got y'all too. Here you go, little partner. That's your rations for the day. Y'all want some food, little ducks? That's all y'all get though. Okay, you got your snack. Hey, little rooster, big dog, I know you hungry. Come here. I know you hungry, bro. Come here. Hey, come here, I got you. There you go. That's all you get, cause you out here trying to rape little chickens, man. I got a little bit more. I only can give y'all 3 scoops though. Them motherfuckers is tearing it up. These ducks probably need some more though. Y'all some big ducks. All right, I'll see y'all later, all right? I love y'all. You feel me? You got Billy Bobby, you got Joe, you got Christina, you got Whitney, you got you got Billy, you got Bob, you got motherfucking Cressida, you got motherfucking Bane, you got motherfucking Chris. They got water though. Oh my gosh, look, it's a baby goat. Spotted. The mama's looking at me like, motherfucker, if you touch my motherfucking baby goat, nigga, I'ma kill you. Motherfucker, eat me, I'm finna get you some food, man. Oh, he got up the stairs. This motherfucker trying to eat me, y'all. For real, Kobe. Got to go feed, you know what I'm saying? What's this? It's just like y'all candy, my dog. Oh no, that's water. Oh, we need to put some water in there. Got y'all, don't worry, I'm finna get y'all some water. Back up, boy. Always trying to get with these motherfucking chickens, man. They don't want you. I got food. Hope that. Hey, watch out, man. No. Dang, bro, it's low-key raining, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Here, watch out, son. Watch out. Motherfucker, who's ready to motherfucking eat? Boy, I know you want here get something real quick. Dang, son, I'm just playing. Hey. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Hold on, let me take a picture of you for me. He showed you who boss or girl or I don't know. But, bro, you see I'm trying to film the little baby goat? Motherfucking eat. Oh, man, he want a nipple. That motherfucker look like it got a poop, don't you? Yeah, move, ho. Move. None of that's for you. You can't have no food, ho. What you want me to do about it? I can't do nothing about it. Yeah, they run that. Go get him. Go get him. Come on. Come on. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I told you. Yeah, They're not gonna do nothing to you. Bro, it's already 10 o'clock, bro. Shut up. You late. I'm sorry your wife left you, bro. We got some chickens on the loose, baby. I see you trying to escape. Move, ho. What's wrong?
Why is it all dark now? Whoa, whoa. I can't back up. I cannot back up. Oh! VR, BillSony. Yeah.
I'm just in here, you know, chilling with my cat friends. Hey, sicko mode. Sicko mode's got some sharp teeth, y'all. Ow, motherfucker. I got my boy Obama over here. He's got his claws in me. Hey, come here, sicko mode.
Azel, come here. Please go. I thought you were gone too. Check out the score. Oh wait, okay.
Oh, is that your all black? Oh my gosh, if my team will hit a shot, that'd be nice.
I'm a little baby. Look, I'm light skinned. I cry, alright? This is what it is.
I literally tried to foul you and call a timeout.
28 seconds left. You got this, Jack.
No, I don't. I'm down by 6 and they made me call a timeout. The only one I had left.
Oh, you're only down by 6? You're good.
And line.
That makes it a 7-point lead. And when engaged,
I told you, bro. If he's got LeBron, bro,
No, it wasn't even LeBron. LeBron sucked.
LeBron is the player of the game. That's what they said earlier. Remember you said, oh, the game's not over.
well, you know they like to have
LeBron blocked it!
Not play
I blocked it! Again! Falling!
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Motherfucking day 2 in this motherfucker, man.
I just farted. You might not want to.
Dude, this nigga farted in my face. I don't even want to hear it, bro. First day of the job, y'all. First day of the job. Crazy. Shout out more and more for the job, man. I love y'all. Day 3. What they doing? Playing 2K.
Yeah. Take heed.